Alright, welcome back. We are once again doing the Python crash course book. We are now on example 8. So, first things first, make a new file, save as. Right, so we gotta comment out our name and date. Right, so in example 8, what the book wants us to do is, or it says, a number raised to the third power is called a cube. For example, the cube of 2 is written as 2 * 3 in Python. Make a list of the first 10 cubes, that is the cube of each integer from 1 through 10, and use a for loop to print out the value of each cube. So what we're gonna do to make this kind of easy on ourselves is we're gonna take this, we're gonna copy it over. Since it's roughly the same code, we're gonna add 1 star there. So now instead of multiplying by 3, it will be doing it to the power of 3. So if we save this code, we come over here and we navigate to where I have my Python codes, and then we run the code. Nothing happens. Oh, we forgot the print statement. Print times 3. Now when we save this and run the code, it gives us the powers. So 1 to the power of 3 is 1, since 1 times 1 times 1 is 1, and then 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, so this is 2 to the cube, or 2 cubed, not to the cube, 3 cubed, 4 cubed, 5 cubed, so on and so forth, all the way up until we get to 10. So that is how you write the code for making a list to the cube, or to the third power, I guess. So if you found this useful, like it, share it, and if you want, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.